Back to another video, guys. In this video, we're working on this Mercedes GLA 2.1 diesel. Fault code is P011315 P010337. Mass airflow, cylinder, whatever. Engine manual lights on, cars in lit mode. I'm going to guide you in this video. This is not going to be a case of changing the part. I'll show you where this fault code is and where it lies. So it's this sensor here. Before we start, I'm going to see if I can get the code in so you can actually grab one yourself. There's the code, part number, should we say. Our recommendation as well, I don't know if I can get into that. Our recommendation is, before you start changing parts, check to see if there's electrical the circuit going round, so there's power going to these. If so, then it turns out to be the sensor, which it is. It really is easy to change. It's literally, you'll have to remove these. It pops out, this whole section comes out. You can change the sensor only itself, but in this case, they do come together when you buy them online. Recommendation is OEM part, because aftermarket part will probably cause the same issue again. So please get the original, pop it in, reset the adaptations, done, dusted, and then it'll just be a case of clear fault code. Hopefully should have cleared it. There you are.